Here at Practical Dad HQ, we love our Bamix stick blender. But after use, it's a job to know where to store it. In a drawer, the blade might get dull. Out on the surface, it just looks untidy, and it has a habit of falling over. There is a stand available, which would sort out that falling over problem, but it's still something else on the surface. A better solution is the wall hanger that comes with the Gastro 200, but you don't seem to be able to buy that separately, except from a supplier on Amazon that is charging nearly 50 quid, and I'm not sure I entirely trust. So before looking for another solution, I'm measuring up the various bits of the mixer from which it might hang. Having searched various options, I found these utility hooks that seemed to be the right size, and the protective plastic coating even matched the colour of our blender perfectly. I only needed one, but at $2.99 that seemed good value. When they arrived, I just checked the dimensions to make sure that they were going to work as intended. I originally thought the blender would hang the right way up, as with the official accessory, so it was a bit of a breakthrough when I realised I could hang it from the business end. Having worked out the position and marked the place for the hole, I found appropriately sized raw plugs and a drill bit to match. It might seem overkill to get out the massive SDS drill just for one small hole, but it always makes the job super easy. And don't forget those ear defenders, even for the quickest of tasks. A quick way to test whether your hole is deep enough is to compare the dusty end of the bit with the length of your raw plug. I just need to go a little bit deeper. A quick vacuum of the debris before inserting the plug and tapping it home, flush with the wall, which can be touched up with a spot of paint. With the paint pretty much dry, I can start screwing in the hook, just making sure it's going in perfectly straight. This can all be done by hand, and you won't have any tools damaging that plastic coating. When it's all the way in and the right way up, it's ready for your blender. Helpfully, there's a nearby plug socket, which means the blender can stay plugged in, ready for use, and the cable is kept tidy. Socket switched off, of course. All that remains to do is clean up. Thanks for watching, and if you found that helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more of the same kind of thing.